Yes. Hello children, we are doing exercise 2.1, question number 4. I hope you have understood the previous videos. Let us start with the question number 4 again. So question number 4 is a rectangular sheet of paper. There is a rectangular sheet of paper which is 12 1 by 2 meter long, centimeter long, and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Now find the perimeter. So first of all, length of the paper is equal to 12 1 by 2 centimeter. Now we'll convert it into the proper improper fraction. So 12 2s are 24 plus 1 by 2, that is 25 by 2 centimeter. Now, and breadth of the paper sheet is equal to 10 2 by 3 centimeter, which is equal to 10 into 3, 3 tens are 30 plus 2 by 3, that is 32 by 3. Now the perimeter of rectangle, we know what is the formula to find the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into, what is the length here? 25 by 2 centimeter plus breadth here 32 by 3 centimeter. So first of all we'll add this. LCM will be 6. So 2 3s are 6. Divide by denominator. You will get 3 here. 2 3s are. So multiply this 3 by 25. 25 3s are, plus again divide the denominator by the next. Divide the LCM by next denominator. 3 2s are, and 32 quotient is 2 here. So 32 2s are. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 by 6, which is equal to 2 into 75 plus 64 divided by 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, and 75 plus 64, 5 plus 4 9, 7 plus 3, so 7 plus 6 13 by 3 सेंटीमीटर्स. 139 by 3 को हम और क्या लिख सकते हैं? 139 by 3 सेंटीमीटर का मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन बनेगा 3 4s are 12. डिवाइड करके हम इसको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 19. 3 6s are 18. 1 ये कोशेंट हो गया, ये रिमाइंडर हो गया, और ये आपका डिवाइजर है. तो जब आप मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं तो क्या होता है? इसका मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन क्या बनता है? QR बाय डी. यहाँ पे QR बाय डी क्या बन जाएगा आपका? 46 1 by 3 centimeter. So in this way we have to solve this problem. First of all, we'll convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Then we will apply the formula of perimeter, 2 times of length plus breadth. Here we are putting the value of length and breadth and doing the calculation, adding the two fraction by taking the LCM and solving it. We can find the perimeter of the sheet. Next question. Here the question number 5. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE. First, triangle ABE. Second, the rectangle BCD in the figure whose perimeter is greater. So we have to find the perimeter of both the figure. First figure, this is our first figure, triangle, and second figure, rectangle. So first of all, perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter means the sum of all the sides. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle ABE. Triangle ABE is equal to the perimeter is equal to the sum of the length of all sides. Perimeter is equal to sum of the length of all sides. Sum of the length of all the sides, मतलब सारी sides की length का हम sum ले लेंगे. That means length of BC plus AB plus AE plus BC. So length of AB is 5/2 centimeter. Length of BC is equal to 3/4 centimeter, and length of AE is 3/5 centimeter plus length of BC. Length of BC is equal to 2 3/4 centimeter. So what we have to do here first of all we'll convert it into the improper fraction. So 5/2 plus the improper fraction of 3/5 will be 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15 plus 3, that is 18/5 plus 2 4s are 8 plus 3, 11/4. Now the LCM of 2, 5 and 4. What is the LCM of 2, 5 and 4? 2, 5 and 4 LCM निकालेंगे. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. LCM में हम तब तक डिवाइड करते हैं जब तक हमको 1 1 1 ना मिल जाए. So 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20. LCM will be 20. Now we have to add these fractions. So 2 divide by the denominator 1 by 1. First denominator से divide करेंगे तो आपको 2 10s are 20. Quotient will be 10. Here the quotient will be 10. So 10 से हम multiply करें, 10 5s are 50. Again we will divide the LCM by next denominator. 5 4s are 20. तो आपको क्या मिला quotient 4. 18 4s are 72 plus again we will divide the LCM. ये आपको मन में करना है सारा. 4 5s are 20, 11 5s are 55. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा आपका, सबको ऐड करेंगे आप. 50 प्लस 72 प्लस 55 कितना आएगा आपका. 5 + 2 7, 7 + 5 12 प्लस 5 17. 177/20 सेंटीमीटर. ये आपका ट्राइंगल की पेरीमीटर है. नाउ वी वांट टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. उसका फॉर्मूला आपको मालूम है, 2 लेंथ प्लस breadth, 2 times of length plus breadth. Simply we have to put the values here. 2 into length. What is the length here? 2 3/4. 2 3 by 4 plus breadth 7 by 6 centimeter. Again open the bracket, 2 into 2 by 3, 2 by 4 2 is 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 plus 7 by 6. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे दोनों का एलसीएम कितना आ जाएगा, 12 आ जाएगा. 12 ऐसा नंबर है जो 6 से भी डिवाइड होता है, 4 से भी डिवाइड होता है. 12 is divisible by 4 and 6 both, so we can take it as a LCM. 4 3s are 12, 11 3s are 33 plus 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. So answer will be 2 into 33 plus 40, 14. 3 plus 4 7 and 1 plus 3 4 by 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are, so 47 by 6. Now we can convert this into the mixed fraction and we will compare the whole number part first. 47 by 6 को आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, ये हो जाएगा आपका 7 5 by 6 सेंटीमीटर, 7 5 by 6 सेंटीमीटर. एंड 172 by 20 को आप लिख सकते हैं 172 by 20. So 26 28 160, 7 minus 6 1. Again it is not divisible because our remainder is less than the divisor. So what will be the QR by D? इसका मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन क्या बन गया, 177/22 का 8 12 by 20, 8 12 by 20. Here you will compare the whole number part of the fractions. So first in the perimeter of triangle the whole number part is 8 and the perimeter of the rectangle whole number part is 7. So we can say whose perimeter is greater. Answer triangle ABE has greater perimeter. Children, I hope you have understood what we have done. This we to solve this problem, first of all we have find the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter का मतलब होता है कि सारी sides का length का sum, the total boundary. Perimeter, or we can say perimeter is equal to total boundary. Perimeter is equal to sum of length of total boundary. Sum of length of total boundary. तो ये आपका 5th प्रॉब्लम कंप्लीट होता है. अब हम देखते हैं इसको 6th कैसे करना है. सॉरी, 7th वाला. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of the apple and remaining apple was eaten by the brother Somu. There is an apple and 3/5 part of the apple of an apple. कितना पार्ट इसने रितु ने इसको खाया है एप्पल का, 3/5 part of the apple eaten by the Ritu ate 3/5 part of the apple and remaining was eaten by her brother. So how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had larger share, by how much? So suppose this is a complete apple, one apple. So part of the apple Ritu eat 3/5 and the apple remaining after eating by the Ritu. part of the apple remaining after eating by रितु. रितु के खाने के बाद एप्पल का कितना पार्ट बच जाएगा? 1 माइनस 3/5. जितना पार्ट उसने खा लिया उसको हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे 1 में से, बिकॉज वी हैव अ 1 एप्पल ओनली. सो फ्रॉम 1 वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द पार्ट ईटन बाय द रितु. LCM will be 5. 5 minus 3, that is 2/5 apple will be remaining here. है ना? आपका टोटल 5 पार्ट्स टोटल इसमें था 1 एप्पल. 1 में से 3/5 आप माइनस करेंगे तो 2/5 रिमेनिंग होगा. एंड बाय क्या पूछा है? हु हैड द लार्जर शेयर. सो रितु शेयर, रितुज शेयर इज इक्वल टू 3/5 and brother Somu's share is equal to, her brother Somu's share is equal to Somu's share is equal to, what is the part of the apple eaten by the Somu? 2/5. The remaining eaten by the Somu, or we can say the part of the apple eaten by the Somu, part of the apple eaten by Somu is equal to 2/5. As per the according to the question, ki remaining was eaten by her brother Somu. So what was the remaining part here? 2/5 apple is remaining here. That means the part of the apple eaten by Somu is equal to 2/5. Now Ritu's share is 3/5. So her brother shares is 2/5. So we can compare that. Who has eaten more? Ritu has eaten more. You can compare the denominators are same. दोनों में डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. वी विल कंपेयर द न्यूमरेटर एंड द रितुज शेयर इज हैविंग द ग्रेटर न्यूमरेटर. तो रितु ईटन द मोर एप्पल. हु हैड अ लार्जर शेयर? रितु हैज अ लार्जर शेयर बाय, रितु हैड अ लार्जर शेयर by, how will you find the difference? By 1/5 part of the apple. Here you will find the difference between 3/5 minus 2/5. आपको आंसर कितना मिलेगा? 3 minus 2, that is 1/5. So 1/5 part of the apple eaten, Ritu had a larger share by the 1/5 part of the apple. ये आपका आंसर हो जाएगा. I hope you have understood. There was a 1 apple, and from this 1 apple 3/5 part of the apple eaten by the Ritu, and the remaining, what is the remaining part? 2/5 part of the apple eaten by the Somu, her brother Somu. So as per the question, who had a larger share? So Ritu ate 3/5 part of the apple. Her brother Somu ate 2/5 part of the apple. So by comparing them, we can say that Ritu had a larger share, and by how much? To find the by how much, we will find the difference of their shares, or directly you can find the difference between the share difference between Ritu's and Somu's share is equal to 3/5 minus 2/5. यहाँ पे आप एलसीएम लेंगे, 3 minus 2, 1/5. So answer, Ritu had a more share. Ritu had 1/5 more share. पहला हो जाएगा रितु हैड अ लार्जर शेयर. रितु को बड़ा मिल रहा है बाय 1/5 पार्ट ऑफ दी. इस एप्पल का 1/5 पार्ट जो है वो रितु को ज्यादा मिला है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. एप्पल को यदि आप 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, इफ यू डिवाइड द 5 पार्ट्स ऑफ द एप्पल, 1 2 3 4, so how much share is getting by the Ritu? 1 2 and 3. This is the Ritu's share. So and this is the Somu's share. So by the picture you can understand who's getting the more share. Ritu is getting the more. And by how much, कितना पार्ट्स को ज्यादा मिला है? 1 पार्ट के पास ज्यादा है. दिस इज द आंसर. 1/5 पार्ट जो है वो रितु को ज्यादा मिल रहा है. तो कैसे फाइंड कर लिया? दोनों के शेयर को हमने, दोनों के शेयर का डिफरेंस ले लिया. और आप देख सकते हैं कंपैरिजन करने के लिए हम डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो उनके न्यूमरेटर्स को कंपेयर करते हैं. वी कंपेयर देयर न्यूमरेटर्स एंड हुज द फ्रैक्शन हैविंग द ग्रेटर न्यूमरेटर. The like fractions having the greater numerator will be the greater fraction. So we can say that Ritu is getting more share, and by how much? To find the by how much, we will find the difference. Eighth question. Michael finished the coloring of a picture in 7/12 hours. Vaibhav finished the coloring the same picture in 3/4 hours. Who worked longer? Okay. Michael finished the picture, coloring the picture. Time taken by Michael to color the picture. Same picture. Time taken by Michael to color the picture is equal to 7/12 hours. Time taken by Vaibhav to finish the same picture. Time taken by Vaibhav to color the same picture is 3/4 hours. 3/4 hours. Now 3/4 hours, we'll compare them, we'll convert them into the like fractions. So 3/4 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दें? 3 से ऊपर नीचे आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दें न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में. 3/4 कैन बी 3 into 3, 4 into 3. जब हम न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं सो इट विल रिमेन अनचेंज्ड. इसकी वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी. फ्रैक्शन चेंज हो जाएगा बट वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी. सो 9/12 hours. सो नाउ वी कैन कंपेयर Michael's time कितना है? 7/12 hours. and Vaibhav's time is 9/12 hours. Denominators are same. Both the fractions having same denominators. So we will compare their numerators. Who's having greater? Which fractions having greater numerator? The second fraction, 9/12, having greater fraction. So we can say the Vaibhav is taking more time. Who worked longer? Vaibhav worked longer. Vaibhav worked longer. अब आप फाइंड करेंगे डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टाइम, डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टाइम क्या आ जाएगा आपका 9/12 माइनस 7/12, 12 आपका एलसीएम होगा 9 minus 7 that is 2/12. So Vaibhav worked longer by Vaibhav worked longer. This is your answer. Vaibhav worked longer by 2/12 hours. मतलब वैभव ने 2/12 आवर्स ज़्यादा काम किया है किससे? माइकल से. एक पिक्चर है जिसको माइकल सेम पिक्चर है, माइकल जिस पिक्चर को पेंट करने में कितना टाइम ले रहा है 7/12 आवर्स टेकिंग बाय द माइकल एंड 3/4 is taken by the Vaibhav. So same picture is there. So first of all we'll convert them into the like fraction to make the second fraction like fraction to the first fraction. We want to make both the fractions like fractions. So to make it second fraction a like fraction, we will multiply its numerator and denominator by 3. When we multiply the numerator and denominator, it will become 9/12. It will become 9/12. So now we can compare the like fractions, and by looking at the fractions we can directly say that the Vaibhav is working longer. Vaibhav worked longer. Or by how much? So we will find their difference of the time, and in this way we can say the Vaibhav worked longer. Okay children, now in this way we have finished our exercise 2.1.